Hello everyone. Today, we will see how to track the performance of a Google advertising campaign on AFS Analytics. The first step is to create UTM parameters for campaign tracking using a marketing link generator. For this, I select the URL generator option in the marketing menu. A link generator allows you to build a final link to the landing page of your site. Enter the URL of the landing page. In our case, it will simply be the home page of our rental site. Define the source. Here, the source is Google ADS, as it is the platform where the campaign is broadcast. Choose the marketing medium. This can be a link, a banner, a newsletter, or an email. Then specify the name of the campaign. In our case, we will use Giovanna Switzerland, as this campaign is exclusively for Switzerland. The campaign keywords. Here, we will choose holiday home. Specify the cost per click. It will be about €2 per click. The option Set Parameters in the section of the URL allows adding parameters in the form of an anchor. In some cases, this can be useful. Once the URL is generated, all you have to do is copy it. Once on Google ADS, when creating your campaign, enter the copied URL as the final URL. We will now discover the campaign report on AFS Analytics. To access it, simply go to the marketing menu, then select the campaigns option. As you can see, many such parameters are available to refine the analysis. If needed, you can export the report in CSV format using the drop-down menu next to the report days. On the interface, a menu allows you to sort searches by different categories. An interesting point, you can create your own categories using the category management tool, which allows you to tailor the analysis to your needs. Let's now look at the results of our campaign. 14 visitors were attracted to this site, 13 unique visitors, 16 page views generated for a total cost of €26. The revenue is €0, which is normal because this site does not offer sales. One of the major advantages of AFS Analytics is that you have access to the list of visitors from this campaign as well as their behavior and quality score. To do this, simply click on the visitors icon. Thanks to this feature, you can analyze visitor behavior and adjust your campaigns to maximize their effectiveness. There you go. We have seen how to track an advertising campaign. Feel free to subscribe for more tutorials on AFS Analytics.